It's a new game. I don't know the name, what I'll keep it. I need to decide what to name this game as well. How do you keep all your tabs open, Choco? I don't know. Like, what do you mean? Usually when you shut down a PC, oh, it's when I open the browser, Edge, I press Control Shift T and it opens up all the existing tabs that it had. So yeah. But I don't close these tabs. I just close the browser when I'm closing it. When I reopen it, you press Control Shift T and it opens up all the tabs that you had. After you finish your game, can you play games? I don't think I'll be finishing like on the stream though. Like it'll take time. Yo, Java guy, welcome to the stream. Microsoft Edge news is insane, but you can off it. Like you can turn it off. Like me. Look, it doesn't pop up anymore to me. Like there's an option to off it. Okay, look at this, chat. Look at this. I'm gonna show you how I'll get Morph into a pot in the game. What is the game about again? I mean, I can't explain it honestly. You will understand. You know what? Let's play actually. 1 second. Look at this. I'm a pot now. I'm a pot now. Do you see this? It's so fun, man. Look at that. I'm gonna. Oh, by the way, I added this as well. Now it shows the points above your base, and it shows a icon of the king as well. But look at that. I am a pot. Okay, I am a pot. So can I play with you? I already have playtest. Yeah, let's play the game. But 1 second, I gotta make some changes. Okay, yo, Jaden, Blizzard, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Yo, chat, it's difficult to explain what is this game about. So you can play with me. I don't know if you are on PC or probably it's really night for you. So you might not be on the PC. You might be on the phone or something. But yeah. Whatever you get the time on a stream, do you want to grind blocks fruits? Whenever you get the time on the stream. Blocks fruits? Nah. I can't grind a game right now. I really need a successful game, so I'm working hard for it. Oh, man. Whoa! Thank you so much, dude. Oh my god. Yo, Yekno, by the way, just to answer you, I've explained it so many times. I'm not going to repeat it again. So thank you for your time. But, yep. Don't disturb me when you don't know the story, okay? I don't have nothing to do with you over here. Your RootCon, what's your username? Oh man, Noah, I feel it, man. It's sad, bro. It's sad. It's okay, bro. It's okay. It's okay. That's what it is. That's what it is. That's how it happens. It's okay. It's okay. That's life. Actually, the more early you learn it in your life, the better your future life is. So yeah, man, just enjoy that. It's all good. Wait, I'm giving to Cage again? That's insane. Cage, bro, what you doing? Yeah, Cage, I wouldn't mind that, but the problem is I didn't steal. I didn't even know that other game existing, lol. And I have told that on the stream so many times. But this guy doesn't understand at all, lol. Aiden, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Yo, RootCon, I'm sending you Robux 75. 1 second, I gotta put this code into the thing. Yeah, now I've decided I'm not gonna waste time in explaining the chat what I'm thinking and why the things are done. I'm just gonna flipping distant myself from those people who are not supportive enough and who are just dragging me down. I don't know, man. I don't have time for all of that stuff. But yeah, Robux send Rootcon. Thank you so much for subscribing, man. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yep. Now I'm gonna focus on my game. Wait a minute. I want to showcase this game idea on the stream. I want to showcase this game idea so Jaden can understand what's this game about. I want to showcase the game idea so that Jaden understand what's this game about. Okay. And how we can do that is we can publish the game and we can play on the stream a little bit. To publish that, we're gonna make round 30 seconds and round will start if there are 2 people. All right, publish this. You will automatically be morphed to this spot. I know. 1 friend away from Creekcraft. Amazing. Alrighty. How will I able to join this game? It doesn't show. Yo, chat, can anybody join me in the game? From the stream. But wait, you need access. Rootcon, can you join me in this game? Or Cage, whoever is on the stream, or both of you. Both of you will be fun. We'll get to test the game with 3 people. Yo, Jaden, are you watching this? Oh shit. Oh shit. When you're jumping. Oh no. When you're jumping. Oh shit, dude. No. No, wait. When you're jumping and at that time you get morphed, then the code breaks. Oh god, that's wrong. Oh no. Oh shit, man. If you're jumping when you morph, you're not touching the ground, it breaks. Oh god. Gotta fix that. Yo, Jaden, you watching this? Jaden. Okay, I gotta change the logic of the morphism a little bit. It tries to detect the ground, but it should not be like that. Yo, welcome to the stream, Elishan. Why are you a plant? You will also be turned into a plant, by the way. Yeah. So Jaden, this is the game. There is blocks gonna spawn at the center of the map, and whoever has the most blocks wins. Wait, how you have 1 point? Oh shit, you're holding the block. That's why. Then you keep holding the block. Oh wait, I gotta make that you cannot pick up your own blocks. Yo, Jaden, did you see the gameplay? Oh, my bad. The short form stream was kind of off. I waited too long. Gotta fix the morphism a little bit. Okay, look at this. This is the game. There are like things at the center. You pick it up. Whoever has the most points wins. I gotta fix so many things, lol. You cannot take your own part, lol. What are you trying to do, bro? You cannot pick another part. Okay, I gotta fix this. What to do? Lol. Anyways, but that's the game. I don't know if Jaden is on the stream. I think so. He left. Anyways, what is chat box? You can chat. Welcome to chat box. Help us to vibe. There is no way. What do you mean you can chat? This place is protected by tested staff. Do not break the rules. This game is about protesting Roblox's newest chat update. What? How is Roblox not banning this game? This is insane. This is insane. Hearts for her? Why do I feel like I know that person? Rubber band watermelon. Escape tsunami for brain rots is still booming, lol. That is insane amount of people right now. Alright, let's go back to the idea, back to the game. This is the Morph service. There's a little bit of issue over here. You know, this thing tries to find the... So how Morph works is very funny. Okay. Yo, chat. How morphism works is pretty insane. I don't know if I should tell you, but I think so I can tell you. This information is not like very private. ChatGPT gave me full transparency. So you have your character, right? What it does is make your character invisible and attach this model to your humanoid root part. So that however you move, this part will also move the same way. But you will only see this thing. So that's how morphism is, lol. That's funny. And the positioning of morphism is kind of like tricky over here. Because you see this is the model. It has a root part over here. And we have an attachment over here called as ground, which is like the ground part of it. I want that the ground part touches the ground over here when you morph. So, I don't know. ChatGPT gave me this code. It raycast this. Raycast something. Get the position of the ground. Why? Like how much ground is like below. Where is the raycast starts from? Ray origin is from HRP. So humanoid root part. So how much down is the ground? Like what is the distance from your humanoid root part to the ground? This distance. I need that. But when I'm jumping, it breaks everything. So that is the issue now. So this is actually a bad way of coding this. I should probably code it in such a way that first you attach this model to a humanoid root part. So probably it'll be like your primary part over here will be at this position. Now I want that you travel this much distance. No, wait a second. I need to align. This is difficult. Oh shoot. Okay, let me try to complete this by myself, by my logic instead of ChatGPT. So let's say this humanoid root part that is exactly over here, and this center aligns with it. Now I need probably the distance from the height of the character, not the distance from the ground. The height is probably this much, so I lower it down this much. Okay, now it's in the ground. So what it'll do is we gotta get the distance from the root center to the ground center and then up the model with that distance. So that's how we're gonna do this. Okay, let's do it without the help of ChatGPT. I'm not adding that. Yo, welcome back, Cage. Okay, wait. So, what logic I explained to you? Let's try to implement that. We clone the morph model. We set the morph model to humanoid root part. Okay. Now the rest of the things happen. I need the height of this guy. How to get the height of a rig? Do we get it in the humanoid? Hip height is 2 over there. I don't know if that's true. I don't know actually if that is true. The hip height is 2. That means the lower torso is like 2. I don't know. Wait, let's try to get the foot over here. The Y of this foot is 0.6, and if we go to the torso, Y is 1.7. Bro, RootCon, thank you so much, dude. I appreciate it. What the flip? Why are you guys doing so much things, man? Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. RootCon in the chat, everyone. RootCon did Prime sub and subscribed. RootCon. What is his username? Root.con. I feel like I'll have over here. Yeah. RootCon, man. I really appreciate you. An error occurred while sending payments. Great. I guess they blacklisted me now. What's going on? Oh, okay. Yo, chat, one more good news over here. Look at the YouTube subscriber count. 402 right now. If I grind a little bit more, we're gonna go to 500. And guess what? I still need like a double watch time though. Shit, this will be tough. I should start streaming once again, like 2 streams per day. Like at the night as well. Probably a gaming stream or whatever. I don't know. But just spend like 1.5 hour gaming streams. Then it'll boost this up. I need still double the watch time. Then I'll be able to like unlock super chat and membership on the second channel. Feel like that's much needed. That is much needed. Thank you so much for the sub, man. I really appreciate it. Alright, is hip height what I want? I don't know. What is the hip height of humanoid? What is the hip height? Let's ask chat GPT. Okay. So this technique fails when the morph happens when a player is jumping. How to fix that? I think we should use the hip height of humanoid question mark. Let's see what ChatGPT gives. So when retirement, bro, I appreciate you guys, man, for all the support. Thank you so much. The failure during jumping because raycast origin is HRP, and when the player is airborne, there is no ground directly under the HRP yet, or the hit happens too late, too far down. Humanoid.hip height is exactly what Roblox uses internal to keep it on the ground. We'll use it to make the more placement ground stable, whether the player is jumping, falling, or standing. Why hip height fixes it? Humanoid root part of position moves up and down when jumping. Humanoid distance from the HRP to ground. Sensor of ray cast. HRP we cast from. Why are you still casting? Expected ground point is HRP dot position. What is extra? What the flip is going on? Strategy, compute, expected ground. Wow, what is going on? Replace only the raycast plus alignment section with this. I have no idea what's going on. But I'll just put this. I have no idea what's going on, but I'll just put this. Yep, that's what I'm doing in this stream chat. We are using AI so much. We are using AI so much, bro. I don't know what the flip is happening. All right. Isn't it insane how much AI we use in this one? All right, let's see now if the normal thing works and when jumping it works. The normal morph works and with the jumping. Oh, wait, where is the flipping model? Okay, normally it works. Now, let's try jumping. Oh, this falls down because there is no like anchor point or no can collide. It just goes down. All right, anyways. Wait, I don't know. I think so the root should have can collide on. I don't know. Just a feeling that the root should have can collide on. Morphs, plants. So do you think this game has potential? Like whatever we doing in this game? I feel like it do have potential. I don't know. I feel like it do have potential. You know, my plan to make this game release is like just put a note inside the game that we are looking for someone to build a GUI for this game, like nice professional GUI for the percentage of the game. If you are really interested, then show up or something like that. All right, I don't know, and just release the game with whatever we have instead of like doing everything completely by myself. I feel like just put out this concept. If this concept works, we work more probably, or we find more people, and we move on to a different concept. Like just keep on building concepts and stuff. I don't know. That's what I feel. Might be wrong, but I don't know. Now let me jump. What kind of GUI are you looking for? I'm looking for like something blade ballish type, you know, competition. Oh shit! Look at that. It doesn't help whatever the code I wrote. It doesn't help. I mean, whatever code I wrote in chat. Are you a flipping designer? Rootcon GUI is like crazy stuff, you know. I don't know, but if you want to try it, you can. GUI is something I'm like, you know what? I'm not doing this. Raycast patterns, hip height. I don't know what they're doing with the predict where the feet should be. What is root Y? Small buffer above feet. What is that? Ray origin. Okay, I don't know what the flip is going on. Ray direction. Ray cast. What if you morph when you are flipping in the air, lol? What if you morph when you're jumping? Oh no, man. Why this never fails? Bro, it fails. It actually fails, bro. I don't know. Optional polish, look, lock morph equipped to grounded state. What does that mean? What does that mean? What does this mean? You will see feet guess stays stable even while jump. What? Optional polish. Highly recommended. Lock morph equipped to ground state. Yes, I want to do that. If humanoid.material, floor material, is equals to air, then return. Smooth drop when airborne. Tween the delta over 0.5 seconds instead of instant snap. What do you mean? Re-snap on landing. Oh shit, this is nice. Wait, so how do you think? You don't have to go with me. I just want to see if I have what it takes. All right. What menus and buttons do you need? So this is how we have. I need the HUD to look better. You know, this GUI to look better. And this is my shop. It has the ability section. This is the details. It's same as Blade Ball. Everything is morph. Will be over here. It'll be frames of morphs. Shop, I don't know what will be in the shop. When you pick the morph, it'll be over here. Something like that. The ability. But if you give me the pre-existing GUI, you can remove the code and just style it. I mean, there is nothing over here. I did everything from ChatGPT. You can just flipping, you know, like, just take it, lol. I don't mind anything. This is from ChatGPT, but I don't know how to give it. I need to make another place for this. I'm gonna download it and send it to you, bro. This just... I don't know, man. Alright. Enjoy. See the... How should I make it? Like, what is this? Smooth drop when airborne. Tween the delta over 0.15 second instead of instant snap. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by tween the delta over 0.15 seconds? Delta is over here. They're saying tween the delta. How do you do that? So that'll be the best thing. A re-snap on landing. Listen to this thing. I can do this. If it is in the air, then re-snap on landing. I can do this. Let's try this. Probably. Or maybe, you know what I can do? That'll be the best thing. Wait a second. This will be good. This will be good. This will be good. See, I don't want to raycast once again. Let's raycast only once. So, how do we do this? First of all, we hide the character. And when we add the clone, if humanoid dot floor material is equals to air, then delay the morph. Like, just probably wait for some time. How do we do this? How do we do this? Just wait until it gets to the ground. How do we do this? How do we wait? Yeah, it's fine. It's nothing like... Game is not completed. Not working as well. It's okay. How do you wait until the guy's like... on the ground? How do you wait until the guy is on the ground? Jump. Jump power, use jump power, auto jump, enable jump. If true, the humanoid jumps with the upward force. Yo, Zach, what's up? I'm doing good, man. How you doing? Making my new game. I added morph in this. Adding more models in the morph. And yep. It's one issue though. When the person is in air, gotta wait until the guy like drops to the floor. So how do we do this? Apply. My Wi-Fi is so bad I cannot watch anything. Oh man. Try to lower down the quality or something to like 144p or something. Yo, chat, I have a question. Yo, RootCon, can you like see the code over here like on the stream? Like, is the quality enough that you can see the code? Or do I need to stream in like full HD quality? Right now, I have like HD quality. Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. See, if you're in the air, I honestly should wait until your jump is like over. Auto resnap on landing, slope aligned morph rotation. Yes. Let's just add this. Auto resnap on landing. I copy pasted it 2 times. I hope ChatGPT understands. You can see it. Thank you. If player equips morph while jumping / falling, morph may float temporarily as soon as the unit touches the ground. Resnap it to the ground. Happens once per landing, not every frame. So, correct signal to use is this floor material. Roblox updates this exactly when the character lands. Air to concrete, grass or wood, etc. This is much better than heartbeat touched, even state change to noisy. Architecture. Store a connection per player. Disconnected when morph is removed. Rerun only the ground snap logic, not apply morph again. Add storage. At the top of morph service. Landing connections. Alright. Alright, bro. Alrighty, ChatGPT. Alright. Alright, landing connections. Alright. Add this helper function. Snap morph to ground. Okay. Add this helper function called a snap morph to ground. Alright. Alright, as you say. Added it. Exclude over here. Add morph to ground. Snap morph to ground. Hook auto resnap on landing. Inside apply morph. Inside, apply morph. After morph is welded, that is over here. Auto restab when landing. Clean up the old connection and attach the new connection. Alright, after this thing is done, humanoid, I think so I'll have over here above. Yes, I do have the humanoid. I probably don't need this. That's great. ChatGPT is so much insane, bro. Clean up properly. Update. Remove morph. Disconnect landing listener on the remove morph. Okay, I gotta probably just put this in. Oh my god. I feel like this will work out. Probably will be an error. Let's see. Oh my god, bro. Where the flip is my morph? Shoot. I can't even see it. What did I do? Can't even see the morph. Wait, let me not jump right now. Let me just stay over here and see if the normal morph works. Okay, normal morph works. When I'm jumping... Oh my god. Oh my god, wait a second. This should be like one-time thingy, lol. Keeps on going on. So how this is done? Humanoid.get property change signal. Floor material. Whenever a floor material changes, if floor material is not air, then do this. Oh my god. No, we don't want to do that. We need to do it only one time. So how do I like connect once? How do you just do like connect once or something? This bugs when you jump after morph. It keeps on snapping to the ground. Maybe we should use connect once or something. ChatGPT is starting to lag now. Shit. Yes, great catch. Alright. Snap only when the morph was equipped mid-air. Correct face snap once if equipped airborne. Core idea. Detect at equip time if player is airborne. Step 1, detect airborne. Inside, apply morph. Only connect if equipped in air. If equipped in air, then connect. There's nothing called as connect once. We need a one-shot disconnect over here. Inside this guy. We need a one-shot disconnect over here. Inside this guy. Cleanup stays unchanged. And listen to this little song called Layla. Do you have it open like to send the link or something? I don't want to listen to it right now. Is it gonna copyright the stream as well? I don't know. If equipped airborne, then only you do this, by the way. If equipped airborne, then you do this. If equipped in air, then only do this. All right. Disconnect. One shot disconnect. All right. That's more. Layla. We'll probably listen to off stream or something. Let's just not do it right now. Okay, look at this. This is W. I'm a part now. Yo, chat. I want to make that hide and seek game as well. I don't know. It's already there. I don't know. Just a passion project. I'm not gonna do that though because it already exists. But I think that morphism is so cool, man. Bro, ChatGPT is insanely helpful with these stuff. Like today's day 5 and we have things working. Okay, not really though. Look at that. Where is my model? I don't even know. Where the F is the model? I don't even know, dude. When I'm jumping in the air, where is my model, bro? Where is my model? No, wait. Friend equipped in air. I don't know. Probably it's like too fast. It's too fast to process everything. Wait a minute. What did it do? Where is the model? It didn't equip in air though. Is busting though? It didn't. Oh my god, bro. What's going on, chat? Where is this thing? Here? It prints out here. Wait a minute. It doesn't even reach that code? What is going on? Wait a second. It doesn't even reach this equipped in air code. Oh my god. Is there a return somewhere? Oh shit. I think there's a return over here itself. No, otherwise it would print this out. Wait, this is weird. It doesn't even print out anything. Just returns. Probably it's because of here. I'm so stupid. Six, 7 followers out of nowhere? On what? Oh my god, chat, look at this. This is so bad. You know why this is bad? Because I was in air. Oh wait, I can't even jump. Oh shoot, I can't even jump. My character's probably in mid-air, lol, on top of this guy. Oh shit. That's crazy. Wait a second. Is that how it works? Wait, where is my character then? Where is my character then? Like my hands and stuff. Chat, do you think this game will blow up? Look at that. That's my character, right? You know what? I think so. The primary part, I gotta remove the can collide on the primary part, probably. Then only it'll be like good one. Maybe. I don't know. So the root part, can collide off. Copy this and put it over here. On what platform, bro? What platform did you got 671 followers? Alright, the plant part is there. I feel like I didn't go down just because of the anchor part when I was flying. What if I'm literally flying? I'm jumping. When I'm snapping to the ground again. That's sad. That is sad, lol. That is actually sad because when I'm jumping, it'll wait for my floor to change from air to something else, and then it'll why I'm dependent on the ground in the first place? I don't get it. This is not okay. Wait a minute. This is not okay. Why I'm dependent on ground in the first place when attaching the morph? Wait a second. This is not okay. See, this is my character, right? This is my character, okay? And here's the HRP. This is HRP, okay? And I have my model over here, which is the flower vase or whatever, the flower pot. It has the root part over here, okay? Now, first of all, I align this root part with the HRP, so my pot is like around this line. But I want this pot to touch like the feet, probably, like, you know what I mean? So there's a ground over here, which I gotta match. What I can do is just get the Y coordinate of this guy. Get the Y coordinate of this guy. And just like match the Y coordinate of these two. And boom, I guess. BJ Armstrong, what's up? That is the best way. I don't know why I'm doing all this crazy stuff over here, chat. That is insane. I don't know why I'm doing all this stuff. Just get the feet and like, you know what I mean? So wait a second. Let me change the code according to what I think I should do. Okay. Explode. Can I have mod? What? Okay, let's do it in a better way, chat. Let's do it in a better way. This is not helping us. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, you know what? You know what will be the best thing? You know what will be the best thing? Instead of having this root and having this ground attachment, flip it. Just make this ground or just make this root to be like on the ground position, bro. This will fix everything, I guess. Just keep the root in the very ground position or something like that. The root part of this, a very ground position. Choco, you have 17 mods, bro. Give me mod. I have 17 mods. Then it's time to unmod people, lol. Not add more. LMAO. Alright, so that'll be the root now. I'm flipping insanely done. Yeah. Okay, you know what? Now we're gonna do it in a one shot. Try. So I do it at HRP over here. Okay, HRP C frame. What we're gonna do is we are going to add a vector over here like this, but this delta y, local delta y is equals to a y, and this will be the clone No, 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 not clone. Wait a second. Not HRP as well. So character, colon, find first child. I have a confession, Choco. I'm not human. I'm a TV. I knew that. I was suspicious from the beginning, dude. No, but I was actually suspicious that you were a TV remote rather than a TV. But I was close enough. I can say that. I knew, man, something was off. How would you know? It's just the way, like, you present on the stream. I thought that you might be a TV remote, you know. Just like, I don't know, man. My sixth sense is powerful. So, yeah. I'm glad I was correct. A little bit, at least. Let's go. All right, this would work, man. You know what? We don't need all this BS. I'm gonna just remove all this. Like this. Boom. Remove all that stuff. And this equipped in air. Also remove this stuff. Okay. ChatGPT be going crazy over here. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this if it works or no. Damn, I gotta get better at hiding that. Yes. I mean, you're doing good job. Just a little bit better, yeah. Oh my god. Okay, I didn't change the root part. I mean, the model. You're doing good job. I could not get it correct on the first try, like, but I was close enough. Yeah. You know, you just have those properties that a TV remote and TV would do. So I guess, yeah, that gave it away. Oh, shoot, man. This sucks so bad. What the flip is going on? I cannot, man. I just cannot. Do I have an error? No. I cannot, man. Why does it not work, dude? What did I do? What did I do, man? I lied, I'm not a TV. Oh man, then what you are? Morph missing ground attachment. Oh shoot. I don't need a ground attachment anymore. Okay. I don't need a ground attachment anymore. Delete that. I did a better logic than ChatGPT. I am the lyric ice cream will fix it from the song La Mode by Mindless Self-Indulgence. Really? 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 Dang. Okay. I see how it is. So you're telling me that I was wrong? On the TV remote thing, I did not catch up. Shit. Gotta improve my abilities now. So this is the root part. It is on the flipping ground. I don't know what the flip I'm missing now. Yo, what's up? OCS. Welcome to the stream. Finest. What are you playing? I'm making a game on Roblox. That's what I'm doing. Oh, I know why it floats in the air. Because the leg of a human is actually floating in the air. That's why. This left foot is in the air a little bit. Gotta like touch the ground. Oh shoot, but wait, I just realized. What if you are completely a different character? Then your legs are like above the ground or something. Oh no, that's why the humanoid... That's why the thing was important. Oh no. Oh no, wait, I gotta undo all this. I gotta undo all this. That's why the ground detection was important, because what if your character is actually something else? Wait a minute. I should probably make my character R6 maybe. I don't know. Chad, what happens if your character is R15 bundle and the game is R6? You cannot play it? You cannot play the game if your bundle is R15, like specifically R15. No, what did I change now? Oh, wait, I remember what I changed. I need the ground attachment back now. Please give it back to me. Yes, that's the one. Yeah, we have the ground. Yo, thank you so much. Appreciate it for the subscription. Okay, I'm trying to make this game, and right now I'm making that you can morph into different stuff. Like you can become a different like thing, you know? You know what I mean? It turns out that it's not perfect. I don't know why. I can't. I mean, it's not touching the ground for some reason. Like it's not exactly on the ground. You know what I mean? Root is over there. Ground attachment is on the ground if you see. Okay. I have no idea why it is not exactly on the ground then. Look at this. Oh, wait, this is good. This is good. Look at that. I'm on the ground right now. Perfectly. That's good. So I can become a plant now. But the problem comes when I'm jumping in the air. That time it messes up. That time it messes up. Let me try jump now. I don't want to touch your code, so I'll let you handle it. Yeah, don't touch the code. I just gave it away because I was lazy to get it out. Alright, I'm gonna keep jumping now. So I get morph when I'm jumping. And then this thing happens. This thing happens then. Where is the root part of this plant pot now? I can't even see it or what? Where is... Oh yeah, of course I can't see it. See, this thing happens. Now I'm like this much in the air now. I mean, this much part is inside the base plate. This, I don't know. It was because I was jumping. All right. So we got to make it such that the snap grounding, like, I don't know how to explain. It kind of stays for a while like that. You know what? We'll just keep it like this. We'll move on. We'll move on. OCS, what's up, man? Thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Making this game. Yo, chat, I need a suggestion. This is the first morph I have. I want a suggestion. What else you can morph into? What do you want me to add in this game? The second object that you can morph into. What it should be. It'll be very map dependent, like what map do you have, people will pick like that. But I want general objects because I'm just building the feature right now. Later on, it'll be easy to add morphs into the game. Just want to make the GUI and stuff. But for that, I'll need 2 morphs at least to, like, you know, we can move forward. And we're going to make crates as well. There'll be a crate for, morphs as well. So you cannot buy everything from the shop with the coins. You gotta open it from the crate. Are you gonna stream tomorrow? I will probably watch tomorrow too. Yes, I'll be live every day. Most probably. I'll be live every day. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. I'll add you to the place where I'm making it to get your feedback. Okay. Yo, by the way, suggest me something that you can morph into, like another object. What else you can morph into? I have this pot. What else do you think morphing would be, like, more blending? I need some suggestion. Please give me some inputs. Like, what is the next thing I want to morph into? What would be my pick to become a morph into? A rock? Rubber duck? Ah, rubber duck. I mean that's a good pick, but I don't think I can use this in this game. I want something which blends with the nature, because blends with the daily objects you see, like on the map or something. Added you. Amazing. You already making it? Are you like flipping using some Figma or something to design, Photoshop or something, or are you just making it in the studio? A tree would be nice, actually. Wait a second. A tree would be actually good. A tree would be actually good. Tree. Tree and bench as well, probably. But I need a good tree, man. I need a good tree. Should we use this low poly tree that everybody uses? Dang, your height will be big as well on this one. Wait, let me... You don't have Photoshop? You can use other software like Photopea or whatever. But I don't think you will be able to achieve the quality which I think would be good for the game. And if the quality is not met, then it's like, I don't know, fine like this. But maybe, I don't know. Okay, tree. Okay, we gonna say... I don't know, we just gonna say tree. We just gonna say tree to this guy, and we'll need a root part. We'll need a part like this inside the tree as the root part. Like this, and the primary part will be root part over here. What else do we need for the root part? We need attachments folder in the root part, and the attachment of ground will be somewhere, of course, on the ground like this. Okay, and then the root part becomes non-colliding and transparent. Alright, this is the tree model. Copy that tree, put it in the morphs folder, and when I'm using the morph, I'm gonna say tree. Let's see if the tree morph works. Let's see if I morph into tree, chat. Oh my god, I did morph into tree, but I don't know what the flip is going on. Tree is not moving with me. I think so it is anchored or something. That's why. That's funny. Oh yeah, the tree is anchored over there. That's why. Probably that's the reason. I hope that is the only reason. Otherwise, I gotta... Oh my god, that tree just collapsed. Okay, I'll collapse too, by the way. Because I gotta weld the tree together with the root. I gotta add a weld constraint like this. Can I do a bug? Wait, what do you mean by that? Leaves to And okay, now it won't do like that because I welded all the parts together with the root. And root is welded to the humanoid root part. Oh, I forgot to get the model into the folder over here in the morphs. So those two were different. Like an insect on the map. Oh, I see. For morph? Chat, look at this. Now I'm a tree. Let's flipping go, dude. This is gotta be so much fun. Oh my. Yo, Cage. Bro, is Cage on the stream? Oh, there's one issue though. This leaf over here. This leaf over here is like outside. Where is the branch for that leaf? I might have to change the thing for that. Change the tree model just for that thing. Yo, Cage. Cage. Is Cage here on the stream, chat? Oh, this is too big of a tree. Map transform. Bro, can somebody text Cage on Discord and ask him if he can join the stream? Bro, I'm dependent on Cage for the game thumbnail. I need a good tree, man. Can't find one. Low poly tree. The tree I got is not bad, but like there's one simple issue with that tree. This thing is outside the leaf over there. This tree, I think so that works as well. See, these are plastic. This is smooth plastic. That's why it's like shiny. I'm gonna make it plastic like this. Oh, never mind. It's just shiny for some reason. Maybe it's smooth, that's why. The texture on this one is probably different. Material is plastic. It's plastic too, I don't know. But I think so this tree should work out. Because this was like, you can see this leaf over here? Can I add you on Roblox? I mean, my joins are on. You can join me whenever you want. No need to add. I don't know. I don't want to use this tree. I'm picky with that. Let me get another one. Is this the same one that I was using? No, it's not the same one. But I don't like it. I don't know. The one tree I liked is having a little bit of issue. That's insane. What's your user? That is. I need a low poly tree. Nice low poly tree like this. It has a script. What kind of script do you have? You know, I don't like that they try to be like this polygons. It's like so visible over there. They try to like up the count of the polygons, like the sides, the thing. It's so visible over there. Just keep it small or maybe go all the way then. If you really want to add those. I feel like it's kind of in the middle. which makes it look like try hard. These things. I don't know. It just doesn't blend enough. Maybe, you know what? I guess I'm okay with just changing the color. Let's not be that picky for now. Let's move on. Let's change the color like this. And yeah, I think so. That's okay. That works. I think so. That's okay. Yeah. Perfect. So let's add a root part. Yo, Cage. I'm dependent on you for the thumbnail of this game. And I'm thinking like I'll be releasing the game probably on this stream, like an hour or something, and maybe tomorrow max. I don't think I'm gonna spend time like polishing it right now. I'm thinking like more like releasing the concept and see if anything works out and make it better if things are going good. So like, do you have anything that I can use? Like, did you change the last one? No. And I'm confused. Should I even use the thumbnail which Cage gives me? Because right now the game is not polished, and if the thumbnail is too polished, then people will be like, bro, this is a scam game, bro. Thumbnail is some next level thumbnail, and the game is like not polished at all. So I think so that creates a bad impact too. So I don't know if I should use the thumbnail, or maybe just release it as a and give the title as prototype or something. I don't know. Alright, look at this. Tree transform. Where the flip is tree, chat? Oh, failed because no primary part. Alright, that's okay. Easy fix. Easy fix. You just gotta add a primary part. Oh shit, on that. Root like this. And make it that it's not anchored. Alright, and then get a tree over here. That tree over there, I feel bad, bro. Bro, look at this. I'm a tree now, walking tree. Guess what, chat? I'm a walking tree now. Guess what, chat? I'm a flipping walking tree over here. Look at this. Maybe the ground is a little bit above for the tree. Maybe it should be like, yeah, because the tree is like, yeah. All right. How cool everything is in this world. I don't move that over there. So this is a designing station over here. There's a designing station over here. And now we have two things to morph. How amazing. Now we're gonna work on the GUI part. And we'll add that you can unlock in the crates. Thumbnail, thank you so much. Goodbye, Rubicon. Good night. I'm gonna work on the morphed section over here. Complete it. Just like abilities, we can equip it and stuff. Okay. And then only the shop will be remaining. I'm probably not adding the shop right now in the game. You know, I'm not just I don't know. It's not doing that. Just gonna publish the game, man. I don't know, man. I don't know. We need a name for the game. Tomorrow, Choco. Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, let's complete the section of morphs in the GUI over there. Okay, so main screens, skill screen, right? Visible, tabs, abilities tab, make it invisible. Morph, make it visible. This is morph. Okay. And we're gonna have the same section over here. Unlocked and logged. Alright. So I feel like copy the name, delete it, Control D, and like this, morphs. Okay, and make it visible. So this is morph now. And everything works same. Ability name, that'll be like morph name, morph description, equip, and the crate. I think so. Now everything just depends on the data and a little bit of coding. That's it. What did you want in the thumbnail again? So if you see the original one that you like send me, and see this is one, there's two feedback on that. Like if you see the thumbnail, it's like not like there is so much empty space. It's not focused on the thing. If you see the beast thumbnails, faces are like bigger. That's what we need. When faces should be bigger and more area coverage on the thumbnail. And things should be in like not too much free space lying around, you know, like one solution is like just zoom in nicely so that the subjects are visible. The second thing was shadows. Shadows were missing, which made it look kind of very bland. Yeah, those were the two ones. It's crazy how this has 432 million views, lol. How much subscriber is Beast at? 464. When is he gonna reach 500? This is insane. I don't know. I think so. This thumbnail could be like a little bit different. There was no cloning in the thing. I don't know. This video is blowing up. 200 milli. All right, let's come back. Okay, so for morphs, I need to prepare the data first for morphs. Let's go to ability config. This is how the ability config works. For morphs, do we have levels too? Like you can morph yourself for more time if you upgrade the morph to something. Or no? Like levels for morphs too. Like normal duration is, let's say, 9 seconds. And if you upgrade it, you get more for like 13 seconds. I feel like that's a good upgrade to have. If I just keep the space open for it. I'm gonna copy this ability config and name it as morphs config like this. And we're gonna start changing things. I'm gonna change the thing to first this plant pot. Display name as plant pot. I'm so sorry. Makes you faster. Become a pot. Cool down. Common crate. My user is this. I see. Nice. Cooldown is something and crate. Ah man. Okay, let's do it. Let's go to first decals over here. And yeah, I don't know, chat. Should I add morphs, like upgrades in the morph? Or no? I think so. Just have it for now. Okay. I'm gonna search a plant pot. Please give me a good photo. Please give me a good photo. I think so. This one works for now. Do I need a texture ID or do I need so I copy the texture ID 404. Okay, I need the texture ID. Okay, ability config, morph config is over here. Duration. Duration is, let's say, 9 seconds. Right, and this duration, let's say 15 seconds. All right, now I gotta make the crates as well. Oh my god, so much things to do. So much things to do. There'll be another crate which I'll be making, will be Morphs crate. Alright, Morphs crate. Display name will be Morphs, I guess. Price, I feel like price will be 1500 for this. Okay. I'll of course change all the prices later as the game continues. People give feedback and stuff. Watching tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna go to bed. Alright, man. See ya. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Great. Let's get a thumbnail for the crate. Morph crate. We need a thumbnail for our morph. Sorry. We need a thumbnail for our morph crate. I'm gonna use this probably. Or maybe let's say. I'm gonna search morph. Great. I'll watch at 5:30 tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Oh no, I wanted to use that, but it has a weird thing beneath it. There's a name written, lol. Okay, we can't use that then. Let's find another photo for the crate. A morph crate. A morph crate. A morph crate. This is tough, man. This takes so much time to find the right image. A morph crate. Crate. Sorry for the background noise. I swear. I hate that too. Imagine if this game blows up. That'll be the best thing, man. Gotta make concepts. You know what? I'm just gonna find a lucky block image. That just works probably. All right, chances. Now we gotta add a plant pot. We gotta add a tree, and the plant pot chance is 50. Tree chance is also 50 for now. Now you know what? Let's make it rare. Let's make it 75-25 for now. Alright, that's the morph crate. That's how the morph crate looks like. I can go back to my morph config. Oh, wait a second. I did all the changes over here? Oh my godly, dude. I am such a waste. Oh my godly, dude. Why was I changing things over there? Remove this. Remove this. Remove this. Oh, something is wrong, dude. Oh my god. Wait, ability config, go back everything. Yes. Go back everything. This is ability config, alright. This is the plant pot. Alright, now I need the tree. The tree become a tree. Cooldown 8 seconds. Layout, or I'm gonna say 2. Morph crate. Image ID. Duration is 9 and 15, I would say. Alright, become a tree. Become a tree. We need an image for this. Become a tree. Low poly tree. Alright. That's cool for now. We have this morph config. We know the crate. Now Let's start filling up the Morphs GUI over here. Before that, we're gonna go to somewhere over here. We probably need to copy this ability controller. And make it morph controller. Like this. And ability config. Now the problem is I have all the way abilities and everything, right? This will be tough. Everywhere, wherever we have ability, need to change it to like morph or something. Let's go starting. Morphs config. We got errors. Let's go. Ability controller. Let's change the file name first. Morphs controller everywhere. Morph. Tab frame is morphs. Now render. Oh my god, I forgot. I'll need the player data change as well. Gotta copy these two over here. I'm gonna say morphs string ability data. Oh, what is ability data? Level and number. Morph data, I guess. Equipped morph. Like this. We got two morphs. Now the default entity will change. We'll need to have morphs and equipped morph like this. The view entity will also change, and we'll have morphs and equipped morph. All right, that is good for now. So you go through morphs config. Okay. Unlocked morphs. What is this ability name? Gotta do morph name. Morph name. Unlocked morphs. Morph name level. Create ability. Gotta name it as create morph. Alright, create morph name ability template. We're gonna copy the template and just name it as a morph template. Morph config, morph name, layout, order, morph. Action will be purchase crate. Oh wait, that's actually good. Okay, nice. For equip, what is that? Okay. Nice. I don't think it's gonna work straight up, but I think so. That's not bad as well. Gonna go to data manager over here. Gotta send more stuff over here. Morphs and equip morphs. Amazing AI filling over there with 2 tabs over there. Let's go. Now we gotta go to profile controller. And what we gotta do is we need another of these, which will be named as Morse controller. And Morse controller over here. Copy these two. Shit. Copy these 2 lines. Change these two to morph controllers. Morphs. Equipped morph. And equipped morph. Like this. Now. Alrighty. Now this is when you like unlock stuff. We need create service. We need create service. Else if create name is equals to morph create like this, then will be like morph create. Need to add morph to the player. We gotta go to player service and then add the flipping morph. So whatever we have add ability, equip ability over here, we need the same functions for morph as well. Oh shit. My thumbnail is hella realistic, not gonna lie. It's okay. I mean, if it looks good, everything is fine. Add morph. Morph ID is a string. Get the morph ID. Morphs over here. Like this. Profile updated. I'm gonna say morph added like this. Capital M. And send the morphs to the client. Profile controller over here. And we gotta make it like else if data dot type is equals to this. Then this. And this. AI is insanely filling everything, chat. I cannot even express. AI is filling everything fast. Equip morph updated. Player service. Okay. Let me copy that too. Let me equip ability, copy that. And we're gonna make it that equip morph. And we gotta say morph ID over here like this. Morphs equipped morph. And this is the name of the type and equipped morph. AI is filling everything so fast. So add morph is done, equip morph is done. You sure it's okay? Did you send me the thing? Let me see. Oh God. You can add so many things into here, like add the gold shine, just like you tried last time with this one. You see this shine over here. Like there is so much room for improvement on this one. I feel like keep it base plate for now. You know why? Because I don't have a map. We'll need this type of stuff later. But for now, I suggest that keep it base. I mean, just hide this for now. Don't remove it. It's nice. But since the game is not that stage, we gotta do this. And yeah, I agree. And wait, some more feedback that I have on this is make this character, you know, this is the character right now, right? This is the character right now. Make this rotate like this. And so that the character has a boundary of like this much only. Okay, like this is the boundary of the character. Wait. Let me get rid of this. Okay. This is the boundary of the character. The head is over here. Okay, this is the head. His hand is like stretching out over here. His legs are over here. So that, and also this, also rotate like a little bit like this. Stretch a little bit. And keep this hand very close to like touching this. Keep this person a little bit far. Or maybe this touching this far. Nothing, like nothing. The order is not important. So that you can zoom in this part of the thumbnail and it looks nice. That's what I'm saying. Imagine now you're zoomed in this much. Things are so like nicely visible. 3. No, don't put anything in the base plate right now. Just keep it like this base plate. But don't remove this for now. I mean, don't remove this completely. Just make it invisible. That's what I'm saying. The background. Keep this base plate. It's fine. But just like zoom it like that change. It looks empty. Yeah, this will solve it. Most of the problems. Imagine your things are concentrated in this thing. Half of the thing is filled with the gold bar and this thing. And there's a character over here. This is the entire character over here. You know, like, wait a minute. Let me explain you. Where is that image? You see this? It is base plate in the background. But the zoom in, the things visible from the camera is covered completely. That's what I mean. All right. I used a picture. I actually used this time. I mean, you can like change the camera perspective from here. I think so. You are missing that probably. You can change the field of view, make it like 30 or something. Everything will be like zoomed in like this. Even make it smaller, 25. Look at that. 20. This is the entire thing. I think so. That's where you confused. Maybe. That's what I think. You can do all the stuff with the camera over here, like. And okay, where I was doing things. Morph controller, right? Morph. Now, crate service. Add morph. Great. Crate opened. Player crate name and reward item. We need to manage the crates as well. Not this one. Crate controller. When we will get the problem is this thing. We don't know which crate it is. Is it the Morphs crate? Is it the ability crate? So we gotta make something over here. Gotta change, like, add a type or something. Add another variable, probably like a type or something. Oh my god. It feels like Roblox Studio is also listening to me now. Did you see the autofill that I'm getting over here is insane. It's insane over there. Okay. Now coming back to crate controller. Ability config. This is the ability config, right? Render. So over here, we gotta do is W. W filled by AI. I cannot even say anything, bro. Now the create animation will also bug. Because there also we gonna use ability config, right? How many places? Only one place, thank God. So item list is equals to ability config. Okay. So we have the crate name over here. I gotta do the same thing over here. We have the crate name in the data over there. Data.crate ID. Crate ID is the crate name, right? So oh wait, create info.type. It'll be directly create info.type, lol. What am I doing? Because crates of crate name is already done over here. Crates of crate name is already done over here. So crate data dot crate ID. All right, I don't know if it's gonna work or no, but looks like we're gonna have some magic done now. Let's play the game and try to solve things. We have some errors. Let's see how do we fix it. I can't become a tree, lol. Wait, where are the flipping errors? We had some error, but never popped up anyways. Player service, right? Where is the player service? And where I'm like just morphing myself again. Morphs, right? Let's remove this for now. We have an error, but it just deletes itself. Where does it go? That's crazy. What is the error then? Morph controller. Is the morph controller like never beginning or what? Never opening or what? Let me print data over here. Whatever we get, data. Morph controller render unlogged logged morph name morph template is there. Print morph name. Let's see. Let's add these print statements if we get somewhere. Bro, there is an error which I don't even get to see for some reason. It just disappears. What's up? Why, chat? Can anybody tell me why the error disappears? What? There comes an error, but it just disappears. What the flip? Just disappears in a second, like a blink of an eye. Bro, it prints out everything and it just goes away. What is this? What is this? I don't get it. Wait, let me screen record this and play this. Probably I'll be able to track the error, the exact frame. Morph name is not there, something like that. That's what I saw. Morph name is not there, something I saw. But why does it disappear? Hi bro, remember me? Yo, Varun, what's up? How you doing, man? I do remember you. Record this and play this. Probably I'll be able to track the error, the exact frame. Alright, oh shit. Okay, here's the error. I don't know why everything disappears though. That's the question. Morph name is not a valid member of the text button. Morph controller line number 72. Line number 72. Oh, I see. But that's crazy why that error happens. Morph name. Alright. I hope this doesn't happen again, bro. I'm making the game better. That's what I'm doing, Varun. I'm making the game better. I'm adding morph that you can morph into some other objects in the game, like tree, plants, and everything. So making the morph thing happen. So look, plant pot. If I click Morphs crate, it shows me the Morphs crate with the odds and the money automatically. I love this coding, chat. You see that? I just had to fill the data and all the images and everything, and I am flipping insane. So plant pot, the image of the plant pot gotta change. Then we'll be okay. And we got an error somewhere. All right. It's okay. We gotta fix those errors. But first off, we're gonna go to morph config. And the image ID on this one actually does not work. Because we have an image of the other thing. Plant pot. Gonna use this morph config, put it on this one. And what is this? Create service line number 42. Add morph does not exist in the player service. Oh, it's a S, bro. It's a S over there. Remove that S. Alright. We got another error. But hey, at least there is something going on. We got plant pot over there. Let me go over here. There's a GUI error somewhere. Attempt to index nil with tree. Attempt to index nil with tree. Unlocked morphs. Unlocked morphs is nil. What? Morph controller, unlocked morphs, unlocked render, unlocked morphs is nil. Attempt to next nil with tree. Line number 55. Nil with tree. Unlocked morphs is nil. How come unlocked morphs is nil? Unlocked morphs. Unlocked. 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 Render. Morph controller colon render. Find it. Find it over here. It's not in the initial data. It's over here in the morphs added. In data.morphs. They're saying this is nil. Sure. Okay. Morphs added. There's gotta be like player service. Player service. Morphs added. Oh god, this should be morphs like this. Okay. Morphs like this. Alright, now it'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. That's so good, man. The more time you spend in laying out the structure, it actually benefits you. Look at that. I have this now. If I go tree, morph grade, open. Get the plant pot once again. Once again. That's insane. Alright, anyways. When... Maybe when I change the tab, I want to make this as nil. Like, I don't know, just make it invisible or something. But when I equip this, ability plant pot, what is that? Wait a minute. Skill tab controller. Action is ability. Then do that. What if action is more? B2 Plays, what's up? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Tab controller. Equip. Morphs. Equip. We need... Kairos, the scripter. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? I like your name. It has scripted in it. Remotes. We gonna need morphs. Making a game on Roblox chat. I name this morph. Oh shoot. Morph. Use morph. Use morph. Morph as this equip and about player service. Equip morph. Morph service. Fly morph. Oh no, I had another morph thing over there. Oh, okay. I have a morph equip over here already. Shoosh. Okay, now player service. Go back to player service. Where is equip ability used? And only the player service? Okay. There's a connections that we have over here. Just like that. We need to add one more. Gotta add morphs and equip morph. Make it like morph ID. The string morph ID. Morph ID. Equip morph. That's cool. Now go to player service once again. I need to see where this ability is used. Is it? Oh, that is interesting. Ability service. Where? What remote even is this thing using then? Oh, usability. Oh shit. Oh, that'll be two different things. One will be use morph. Okay, that'll be like two different remotes. Use and equip. Use morph like this. Discord. What should I name this game? That's confusing. Thinking something about snatch and betrayal, something like that. Discord is not opening for some reason. What happened? Oh god. I feel like still the thing is missing what I was saying, like cover the frame. See, these all parts are like empty, you know? I'm not saying the base plate is empty. I'm talking the image is empty over here, like this space. They think the image is an asset or something. The space is just wasted. Instead, be focusing on this one and this one, right? Like add text? No. Like, you see these thumbnails on YouTube? The face is like covering so much part of the thumbnail. That's what I'm saying. Like, this girl could be like covering this much part of the thumbnail over here. And this guy could be covering this much part of the thumbnail over here. Like double the size of this circle. Oh, I'm not adding mods right now. It'll cut a lot off. It's not important that entire rig is shown. It's important that whatever is shown is like more attractive. And also this thing, like, this can be a little bit more like leaning maybe. This is nice, but I mean the position is nice, but it's gotta be like big, you know what I mean? Like this, like still bigger. I mean, it's okay if you cannot fit entire rig in this. Like still bigger, like see this is the guy right now, right? I want this guy to be like this big, like double the size of this. Maybe you can just bring it more closer to the frame. I think so. It's because I don't know how to explain this. You'll see the difference when you reach to the end result, which I'm imagining in my head. Like just take reference of your made GFX. This one. Not even this one. Then take this one. You see the image, the face is like in focus. You know what I mean? You can see the expression. This face is like covering so much portion of the image. If you see, look at it. This is the image. This is how much the face is. Just the face. This is how much the face is. And look at this. You see the difference? What I'm trying to say? This feels empty. We are trying to cover the emptiness by just showing whatever we have in focus and bigger. Just see these YouTuber thumbnails, like just go to Mr. You see this thumbnail, how much the face is big. That's what I'm trying to say. You focus on the expression. Something. There are less things in the thumbnail, but whatever are there is bright and focused. That's what I mean. You don't need much stuff to fill the thumbnail. Think I got it? Don't believe. We have enough stuff. We don't need to add more stuff. Object-wise, I guess. If you want, I'm open to that. Saying like, just adjusting in proper focal, field of view would be nice. Plus this gold. I know you added shadows, but it still looks like, I don't know, maybe you can add some effect to it, like a shine or something. I didn't add shadows to the gold. All right, maybe this. Oh, okay, this is only the rig shadow. All right. It's a picture texture instead, so I can't. Gotta try to find a way then. Like, you gotta try something different. Maybe don't use the texture, use something else like the block color or something. Maybe add gold afterwards in Photoshop or something. These are the solutions. Take your time. Ability service. Alrighty, what do we have over here? Ability service in it. You know what? This remote event actually should be inside. And even the player removing should be inside. of the init over here. Like this. Then I'll need morph service like this. In the init, we have apply morph. No, this is equip morph. These two are different. Use morph. Yep. Nah, I think so. Yo, bye bye Java guy. Thanks for joining the stream. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking that you can like morph into different objects in the same round. You don't have to be like only morphing into one. You can morph into whatever you want. I don't want to like make it that you morph only in the tree, you morph only in the flower pot. Keep morphing into different stuff. New game. Yo, Jaxel, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Yes, that's what I want to do. You can morph into different stuff within the same round. Okay, so I don't know. Use morph, apply morph. No. Wait, I guess that's how it is, lol. I don't even know what's going on. Player service. Let's go over here and okay. Okay, it's getting better. It's getting better. Wait, what the okay, this is a lag, lol. I was like, wait, what's going on? I think I'm the only one watching. It's okay. It's getting better. Okay, some things you can change in this one will be make this girl a little bit more like rotated towards the gold. So, and zoom more in. It's okay if the girl legs like cut off a little bit, like let's say girl is like in stuff like this, he's like this, and if possible make this leg of this guy airborne over here, just same as this leg. Nah, you know what? Just leave it. It's fine. Or maybe if possible, I don't know. Try that version. I feel like that'll be good. Anything. And if you rotate this, then you can zoom more in. So you can cut off this part of the photo again. This blank part you can cut off. And the image will be only from here now. You know what I mean? But it's getting better. That's what I can say. How are you doing this? Like, is this a screenshot from studio, or these rig photo is exported from Blender and then you're adding in Photoshop or something? It's called, it's like 2:08 a.m. right now. Yeah, it's late. I'm adding morph into this game right now. I'm adding morphism that you can morph into different characters. Da-na-na-na. 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 Equip morph. Alright, equip morph is there. Use morph is here. I don't know how I'll be fighting use morph. Let's play the game. This how? Oh, I see. So it's Blender. What all these stars and everything is this? What is these drawings? Is this Blender? What is this? Look, this is Blender, but wow. Wow. Need help on something? Pose mode. Wow. I guess I should learn. Try to. Nice. Need help on something. Right now, I don't think I need help on something. Let's see. Look at this. Morphs over here. Plant pot. I can equip this. Ability plant pot. What is that? Oh god. It should say equipped over here. It doesn't want to say that, so let's try to fix that. Map maybe? Yo, Draven, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Map maybe. I could help on that. What type of map do you think would be good for this game? Let's see. When you equip something, you send this remote event equip. Morphs, equip morph. That's what you send, lol. Alrighty, I'm trying to make this game on Roblox Studio and trying to add morph right now. Okay, bro, it gotta flipping say equipped over here. When it's gonna say that? Oh, action is still ability. That's why. Oh my god. Action is still the ability. That's why. Okay, wait. So, gotta go to morph controller. And try to find the place. Action is morph now. Morph like this. All right, now it should probably work. Something like okay, let's go. We equipped the plant pot. Okay, we equipped the plant pot. What I want to do is I'll add a button over here with the ability itself, which is morph. Okay, which you press and you just morph into it. I feel like that'll be a good solution for the morph as well. Right now you can equip the morphs. You can unlock more morphs. We don't have anything in the shop. Bro, it should say equipped over here. Why doesn't say equipped over there? So something is missing. When I click plant part, it should say equipped. Something is missing. Gotta fix that. Oh, it's over here. If morph name is an equipped morph. 105. Plant part and nil. Equipped morph is nil. Equipped morph is nil. Equipped morph is nil. Equipped morph is nil. So morph controller render is missing out. I think it's good. Looks good now. Let me see. Maybe a map at different places that you can go, and one map that you can start playing, and the other map, or maybe a tutorial map. I see. Yeah, need VFX and stuff. That's we need. I'm thinking like 1 second. I'm trying to imagine if yeah, I think so. It's fine for now. You can add like a little bit of EFX and stuff and gold and stuff. Like post-processing of the image a bit. You know, vignette would also be nice. And make a profile picture version as well of the same image, I guess. The square resolution one. The settings are visible. Probably you can like keep the icons for closer and stuff in that. But yeah. That'll be the next step. What the game is about, it's kind of difficult for me to explain. You will get it as we progress. I don't know what is the best way to express this right now. Why does equipped morph doesn't work? Wispy, what's up? How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. So we good in that? No, I mean... can you explain me a little bit better, like how would the map be? So I cannot understand. Main screen, modern and stuff, shop, credits and more. Oh, you want main screen? Wait, you want to add a map or UI? I'm confused now. Okay, this is equipped. Great. Great. Let's try to open a morph crate. I don't know. It says equipped, so nice. It's all now, I guess. You gotta decide what you're trying to do, lol. Can't be jumping with UI and map. Let's make the morph chances 50-50 for now, so that I can get the other one and test it out. Probably I'll make a button over here, one more button, which allows you to morph. And once that is completed, I think so I can just publish the game. See, there is a bug. There is a bug. The thing doesn't stay as equipped for some reason when you just get it. I knew there was a bug. Tree is equipped now. I equipped the plant pot. See, the equip thing is gone. When you equip something else, the equip thing is gone. So let me actually get this print statements up over here. And this is where it decides it should show equipped or no. So yeah, just when you first time equip it. I don't know why this is not working as it should be. should be like this, right? I don't know. I agree, man. I hate to do this. I equip, it turn equipped, and what is this? Why it is nil? Morph name is coming nil? In the equip? Morph name is coming nil. In the equip. So this is nil. Equipped morph will be nil probably then. Wow. Nah, man. The worst part is like, you know, even if this is working, right? But I still need a person to design this GUI better. Like it has almost no value without a design. Alright, now we good. That is the worst part. I wish... Bro, AI is advanced in scripting. I wish I could just design this with AI nicely. It lacks so much, that part of AI. Designing one. I think so it's better if I just make one more button over here. And... it has the same thing, like morph, maybe. And we use its same as ability. Once that is done, I'm not doing shop right now. It's okay, I don't make money. I'm gonna just release the game. The concept is done. Today's day 5. Took me 5 days to design this concept with some decent stuff working. And if Roblox actually picks up in this concept prototype, then I'll probably work more on this game. And add better GUI and stuff. I'm gonna just add a message over here. If anybody wants to work on the GUI, hit me up. Of course, you will get probably percentage of the game if you are professionally converting every GUI and stuff. And of course, a VFX and everything we need, and a sound design and everything. I'm not getting into all of that. I think so. I'm moving on, thinking of a new concept, making that game. Repeat. There's a plugin that makes it cooler. Shading, I can hit you up. Sure. Tell me. I can do the UI. Have you done UI before? Because I think so. I like it. It's definitely improved from this one. I see you did nice. I like the thing over here. Chat, is there anything like missing? I don't know. But I feel like these characters, if they have some kind of something, I don't know. Since they're like falling, right? I want to add like some speed effect. You know what I mean? Since they're like falling, maybe like some dash over here would be nice. What do you say? Some dash lines would be nice. Vignette. Darken edges, emphasize the center. Yeah, I think so. Vignette would be nice. One is vignette. But put vignette only in the banner, not in the profile picture. Wait, VFX is not behind? I hope this VFX is behind the character. Can't see it properly, but I hope it is. I think so it is. Yeah, okay, send me. And oh yeah, the speed lines. No, put the speed lines back of the character. Like you see, this is in the front. Just add the speed line. Gotta be the back of the character over here. And make a profile picture version as well, like a square resolution, if possible. Who is making this, by the way? Cage. Activate ability frame. You see this thing? I want another one of these over here now. I don't want to do all of this designing part, man. This is so brutal. Activate more frame. Position this somewhere on the left. The best part is I need to add like a UI list layout. I'm gonna say activate, I guess. We'll add a UI list layout inside this. Horizontal alignment center. Fill direction horizontal. And this activate plugin auto scale unit conversion. Put this over here. And make it this. Get these two frames, put it inside over here. Now, hope they have aspect ratio in them. They probably don't, which is insane. Size x.5, y1. Size, you know what, x4.45. So we have some space in between, which I can use it in the padding over here. So like 5 pixels or maybe 10 is fine, I guess. Then activate morph. I don't know, I'm gonna just put F for now. Morph. Like this. Alright, look at that. Good. So now everything is in activate. I gotta go over here. This will be GUI.activate. Oh shit. Okay, that is good. Now we gotta make remote events and stuff for region bar of this thing. I think so he's focused on the thumbnail. Mhm. Okay. So, where is the controller for this thing? Morph user controller. We gonna need. Wait a second. Why is this like. Yo, what's up, Raj? My birthday was at 25th. Dang, I was not there at that day. I was in a different state. How was your birthday, man? How did it go? How was your birthday? W's? It was a good birthday, good birthday, good birthday. What did he do? F for ability, okay? Use morph. Use morph like this. Morph. Use morph. Use morph. Use morph. Use morph. I don't need this. Someone gifted me a Naruto action figure. Ooh, nice. Samosa cake, chocolate chips party. W, man. W's. Your school friends are nice. Is that person your school friend who gifted you Naruto action figure? That's flipping cool. Use morph will be probably in the morph service. Use morph, apply this, apply that. Now I just gotta make that a cooldown, and this morph goes away after some time. That's what I gotta do now. Okay. And I'm gonna go chat GPT. Make it that the morph goes away after some time. Round end also remove the morphs. Thank you. New fields to add at the top of morph service. Landing connections. Expire tokens. Important. Morph duration. Timer logic. Y tokens. If a player equips morph A, timer starts, then equips morph B before timer ends. We must not let morph A's timer remove morph B. That's not needed. DMs. I'm done with thumbnails for the night. I'm gonna play some games or work on one. Okay. I will not be using this one, I guess. Or maybe I will. I don't know. This needs some changing though. But I guess you were done, so I won't tell you though. The thing is, if I had to like, oh man, I don't know how to say this. Well, I guess I'll use this one. Yeah. But I'm gonna add a text over here or something. Because this looks empty, and if it's like small, the window will be small on Roblox. Like it'll look really small. We have a less area on the Roblox. I don't know how to flipping do the magnifying thing over here. Now this icon is not bad when I see it. Just like the icon will be really small on Roblox. So that's why we gotta cover that up somehow. Maybe a text or maybe this bigger. Something like that. How do you make it smaller? Like how do I see it? Maybe let me just download it for now. Chaos pictures. See, this is better. This is not bad or something. But there is room for improvement. That's what I would say. There is room for improvement. Yeah, it's okay. Take your time. There's no hurry. I cannot make it more smaller. I don't know. Just want to see it like if it's too small or something. Alright, I'm gonna leave it on you. When you have time tomorrow, you can like either update this or probably you're saying you have another one. But I like this one so far. W. I see you added border as well. That's nice. All right. Cool. Thank you so much, dude. Wait. Apply morph. Hide the character. Equipped in air. Morph expiry timer. We can't equip a morph unless the first one is completed, lol. Make it such that we can't equip another morph unless the first. You know what? Flip it. I'm gonna do it myself. Watch streak. 5 stream streak. Red Heart Blaze, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Alright, you know what? Let's do it ourselves. Let's not go ChatGPT for that. More services over here. We're gonna take help from ability service. We need just one thing. Can use ability like this. Over here as well. More service. Can use ability like this. Alright, and when you just init the thing, we gotta use this init thing. Can use ability like this. We need players as well. Just from lurking, lol. How you been, brother? How's the game coming along? It's amazing, man. I'm good. And I was on a 3-day vacation from all of this stuff. I came back yesterday and I was trying to complete this. Abilities are done. I mean, I have only 4 right now. Morphs, I have only 2. Morph is also almost done. The game is overall done, I would say. If you see the base prototype. Shop, I haven't done it yet. And the base prototype is almost done. I think so. I want to make it just public. And just put a note in the game that if anybody is interested to work on the GUI and polish this game more with VFX and stuff, hit me up or something. And just let the game, like, I don't know, just put out over there and start working on a new concept. I don't know if I'm thinking in the right direction. But I feel like, I don't know. I'm not the person who can polish the games. You know, I can just script and make systems. Like, so I really feel like I either hope for this game to like blow up with this state so that more people reaches out to me. Or I don't know, just play this game on the stream and like have fun on the stream with players on viewers. What would you do if you were in my situation, chat? Give me some opinions. What would you do if you were in my exact situation like this? Morph service. Okay, wait, we're doing this thing. Can use ability 1. And you're trying to use a thing. You gotta make a delay. No, you gotta probably do this. Make the ability usable again. Apply morph. This is apply morph. This is so big. Probably get the raycast outside and a helper function. That'll be better. Equipped in remote morphs. And one more remote event we need. Which is this. Region animate. What is CFG? That is config. Config. Where am I using player service? Yes, I need both of these. No, wait a second. First of all, add this complete thing. Self dot can usability, right? Okay. That's okay. Can use morph. Now I need one more function over here which gives me the equipped morph. in the player service. Equipped morph. Yep. Thank God. Get that. Ability name. I'm gonna say morph name. We don't need morph ID over here. Then morph name is equals to this. Morph name. That's the config. And it'll have a no, that level will have a duration. So like levels of level. Interesting. All right. Okay, that's good. That's good. After this, send this remote event again to regen. Wait a second. Whoa. Why does speed boost cooldown over here? Shit, that's wrong. Ability config, ability name. Lol, I completely missed that. Thank you. W. Fix. Okay, morph name. Morph config. Morph name dot cooldown. Send this. Send this. Make this. Okay, that's good. Now, what else? Nothing else. No, wait, one more thing. The duration completes. You remove the morph. All right. Wait, this is looking good now. One more thing. This ground Y that we get, I think so I should make it a function over here, a helper function. Which returns the ground Y. Needs the character. Get the humanoid, get the HRP. I just send the character and return Y. Luna TTV, what's up? Okay, now Instead of this, do this. And send the character inside this. What if I don't get the Y? If not ground Y, then return, and for now just flip it. Okay, so this entire thing can remove now. Great, this helper function will do this stuff. And yep, that is amazing. Now this over here also I can try to use the helper function. Yeah. Get ground Y of character. Result position Y. Get ground Y of character. I think so. That's good. So I can get rid of these information. Wait a second. Yeah. Ray direction and ray origin. Yeah, everything is there, right? I think so, yeah, it's fine. Alright, so if we cut off the function a little bit with those functionalities. Just cut off this line. Alright, let's see if it works. We have an error, but I don't know what the flip is the error. Shit, dude. The problem is that it just disappears. I gotta record my screen, play the game. Oh, okay, wait. There's a server error one. And wait, did we get the errors or no? Wait, it's already 12:26. Screen. Play the game. 12:26 for me. What the flip? One. And wait, did we? My screen. Wait, there's no error. Play the game. Attempted next nil with can use morph. Morph service line 44. Morph service line number 44. That's crazy how fast the time is going. Where is the error? There is some error on the client side. See, there is an error which I can't even track. Let me play the game again. Start record. Play the game. It disappears so fast. And now it didn't even show. So it's definitely some database issue or something. A weight issue or something. It happens only sometimes. But I need that. When I'm recording, it doesn't happen. Wow. Oh, wait, wait a minute. Where is the error then? It is not even getting me error. In it. I saw in it somewhere. When I'm recording, it doesn't show up. What in the world is going on? When I'm recording, the error doesn't want to pop up. Again. When I'm recording, the error doesn't show up. When I'm off the recording. Okay, thank God it was shown on this one. So I can flip and go and fix it. When I'm recording, the error doesn't want to pop up. Again. When I'm recording, the error doesn't show up. when I'll off the recording. Oh, there we go. It's for a split second. Okay. Ability user controller. Attempt to next nil with init. Ability user controller line number 28. I don't know why it disappears from the thing, lol. What is this? What is wrong? Wait, what is wrong? Attempt to index nil with init. Oh, sheesh. Alright. Okay, we good. Let's equip the plant part. Now press F. Nothing happens, bro. Nothing happens, dude. Where is the script? It's probably ability user controller itself. Morph user controller. Right. There is a init over here. Self : use morph. Use morph. Did I not set this up? Or what? Print. Pressed F. Do I have use morph? I do. Go on the server. Where is it used? Oh, apply morph. Morph ID. We don't need that. Apply morph player. Print here. 23. Let's see where are we reaching with this. Year 23. It prints out. So what's the problem? Can use morph of the player. It must be true. Okay, morph name. Get equipped morph, dude. Get equipped morph, man. Oh my god, look at that. How beautiful. Just the timer is not going down of this guy. Okay, that's amazing. That's how I want it to work, but this morph thing is not going down. I probably didn't assign it on the client for these things. Yep, I didn't make the code on the client. Now let me see where the code is. It's in the HUD controller. Animate regen bar. Okay, it's in the HUD controller. You can just send the GUI as well. It's a probably a frame. Oh man. Okay, wait. AI? No. What is my GUI over here? This equals to HUD. So HUD has an activate frame inside it. And then ability, activate ability frame. Else if AI, come on. No, not ability 2. Morph, bro. Morph, dude. What the flip are you doing? Activate morph frame. Alright, so target type is a string. Oh shit. I'm stupid, dude. I'm stupid. I have two different remote events. I just don't wanna have... Never mind, bro. I'm stupid. No one flip it. Go back. I don't want this. I know I'm not doing it the best way possible, but flip it. All right. Come on now, man. I press F. Region bar is going down. That's amazing. Region bar completed. And the morph goes away. Morph bar fills. I press F again, but doesn't do anything. That's cool. I press F again, and it doesn't do anything. It takes time. Wait a second. What the flip was that? Region bar completely filled up, but it took some time to like rethink, you know? So it's definitely something going on. So the duration, this is the duration that ability lasts for. After the duration, it should regen. Regen is the cooldown. Regen lasts for the cooldown period. So we have cooldown as 8 seconds. So this animation will last for 8 seconds. It will come up in 8 seconds. So if remove morph takes time, if remove morph takes like 1 second, then it'll affect it maybe. I don't know. I don't think so. Wow, this is crazy. I don't know. Why is there a time over there? I don't know. Friend can reuse. Friend starting regen. Okay, look, it takes time. Starting regen, okay. When I can reuse again. It got filled now. Okay, that's actually... That teases you a little bit at the end. Alright. Well, wait a second. Wait a second. Can I... Is it actually like really straight up effective or there's something else too? Oh, wait, I remember there's a cooldown for the F as well. If I keep spamming F, it's like 2-second cooldown for that too. Maybe make it 1 second. Usability cooldown. Yeah, make it 1 second. Because that'll be... People will be mad that this is a wrong timer. It doesn't... Let me use the ability on time. Alright, chat. Look at that. We have ability done. Amazing. Morph. Look, I'm a tree now. What if I equip this in the middle of a thing? And press F. Look, I'm a pot now. Wow, it took some hours, but we finally managed to complete it. Let's go. Alright, look at this. W's. Let's combine abilities with this. Let's combine abilities with this. Speed boost, equip. Okay. Now I have this thing. Okay, I do walk fast. Just nice. Now jump boost, equip this. Let's use jump boost. One, two. Oh my god. Look at that. Jump boost also works with that. Let's go. Now the invisibility. This will be tricky, huh? Will my tree go invisible? Oh shoot. Wait, this will be the part which will be scary now. My tree probably will go invisible, but look at that. I see my character as well. No ways. And morph goes away. I gotta fix that, lol. If I'm trying to go invisible when I'm morphed, that's gonna bug out a little bit. Or maybe, I don't know, just keep it like that. Flip it. Okay, so we have these things working now. We have these things working. There should be one more thing I need to add before making the game like open. It is AFK mode probably that you don't want to go in the game or something. Press AFK or something. Alright chat, I'll keep the stream over here for now. I'll meet you in the next stream. I don't want to play Clash Royale. You know, save time. Save money. Time is money. I'm go end the stream now. We'll probably make some changes in the game. Try to publish it in a tomorrow stream with all the changes like UI person needed, this, that. And just make the game public. Let it float. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. Goodbye. Have a good day. Watch the video in the pinned comment. See ya. Okay, maybe tomorrow will be the launch of this game, and after that I might have to start working on starring pianist admin abuse, lol. It's gonna be crazy. Back. Yo, Jaxel, I'm going. Ending the stream now. I'll meet you tomorrow. I'll try to stream early tomorrow, maybe. If possible. You know, I might stream again today. I don't know. I'm just gonna grind this. We are at 406 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing, guys. Appreciate it. Bye bye. Meet you in the next one. I might stream again to complete this game, or maybe do off stream. Let's see. See you.